my channel. I'm starting off this week's vlog at Sephora. I placed an order for pickup to get the mini road glazing mist that just came out. If you don't know what the road glazing mist is, it's just like a hydrating spray. I feel like it looks so good when you spray it after makeup. It's good to do throughout the day when you feel like your makeup's getting a little crusty or something, or even just when you don't have makeup on, you want your skin to be glowing. I really like it for that, and they just came out with it in a travel size, which I've been wanting them to do for so long, so I was very excited. And we're gonna go get it. I did not even want to risk it being sold out, so I wanted to place a pickup order. I think that's just about it. So let's go inside and grab it. Gonna go grab coffee too. Okay, we are back in the car and I got my mini glazing mist. I'm so happy, you guys. It is so cute. It is so tiny and it's just gonna be so convenient to throw this in my purse or just be able to travel with this. Anyways, I also stopped to get a coffee. I got an iced vanilla latte with oat milk. You guys know I've been loving my oat milk recently. I was planning on running some more errands, but my cramps today are so bad and I just cannot be bothered. I really do want to stop by the grocery store and get some frozen strawberries and bananas because I've been obsessed with making smoothies. I have a bunch of other frozen fruit at home, but I did not realize how low I was on strawberries specifically, and that's like my favorite thing to add in smoothies. I want to be able to make one tomorrow, so maybe I will stop by the store. I could also get coffee because I ran out. That's why I got this. I was just not about to go through today without coffee, and if I'm already having cramps, I'm also going through, I've said this in videos before, I'm just going through an insanely stressful time of my life right now. In my personal life, I will talk about it in a video soon. I'm just waiting until everything's kind of sorted, I guess. But yeah, dealing with cramps on top of that, like it is just, I don't want to do anything today except for be home, put on my comfy clothes and edit. That was my plan, but I think I will stop by the grocery store to get those two things. I'm not even gonna get anything else. I want to be in and out. So let's go. Okay guys, I'm back home and it's comfy outfit time. So much better. This is today's comfy outfit. I love this Princess Polly t-shirt. First of all, the graphic is just really cute, but it is the perfect like slouchy loose fit. It's oversized, but not like too oversized. The neckline is also really wide and very comfy. And then these are my Brandy Melville Hillary pants. I think that's what they're called. These are my new favorite pants. I would wear these every single day if I could. They are literally just the best. They're super low rise. Low rise is never actually low rise on me because I have a short torso and I'm just short in general. But these are a true low rise, which is so comfy because I hate when things are tight around my stomach. Usually I'll have to roll pants down so that they're not tight around my stomach, but then there's like a lump right here where it's rolled. These just have a little drawstring. I also cut them because they were super long. But yeah, they're so comfy. I have them in multiple colors now because I love them so much. But that is my outfit. Time to go edit for the next like 5 hours. Good morning, you guys. I just finished my makeup. I'm about to finish my hair. It actually looks pretty decent for not having been styled at all today. That's why I like doing a blowout because it just holds so well. Today, me and Brayden are actually going on a little zoo date. I've been wanting to go for a while. We just had never actually planned it, but he surprised me yesterday with tickets and I'm so excited. I've always heard good things about the Santa Barbara Zoo and they're big on conservation. I think it's a smaller zoo. I'm just so excited to see all the animals. I cannot remember the last time I've even been to a zoo. I'm really not doing much with my hair. I'm kind of just flipping up the ends. I feel like it doesn't need a whole lot. Also, the Love Island finale is tomorrow, I believe. You already know I voted for Brinity. What other option is there? I do really like Anaya and Carl too, though, but I don't think there's any chance of anyone else winning besides Bryce and Trinity. I don't even see that happening at all. Okay, hair is pretty much done. Let's take out the roller. This is my favorite part. Okay, hair is done. I'm gonna get changed and we're gonna go to the zoo. currently outside of my car dealership. I have to get an oil change, so I really hope this doesn't take a long time because I'm planning on just waiting here instead of dropping my car off, so we'll see what they say, but fingers crossed. Okay guys, I got my car. I did end up going home because I thought it was gonna take longer. They had like a ton of cars here this morning, so it would have been fine to wait, but I'm still glad that I didn't have to do that. Also, I forgot my camera, so I'm filming on my phone right now. But really quick before I go home, I want to get my eyebrows done, so we're gonna stop and do that. I've been meaning to do that for a bit now, and they've gotten pretty grown out, so you can barely even tell on camera. You can kind of tell. But yeah, that's what they're looking like right now. Let's go get them cleaned up. I'm not proud of it, but I stopped by PacSun after and was not intending to actually get things. I was like, I'm just gonna look. I got several things. I actually need to ban myself from PacSun. PacSun is my weakness because, like I've said before, they often have better brandy items than my actual Brandy Melville store does. I feel like I literally have eyebrow hairs all over my face. It's also so hot today. My eyebrows look really good though. I feel like I went longer than usual without getting them done, so definitely hurt a little bit. I could feel it, but nothing beats the feeling of having freshly, what's the word? Threaded eyebrows. The other thing that's my weakness is all of the color that Brandy has been having recently. I didn't get any styles that I already have. Actually, I'm lying. I forgot that I have this in gray, but it's just because I never wear it because I like wearing brighter, lighter colors. So now I'll get more use out of it. Isn't this cute? I love this like coral color that they've been having. Just a little tank top with some lace, and it has a few buttons in the front. I feel like I always felt silly before describing things that I was showing you guys because you can see it. But a long time ago, I think I said that in a video, and someone commented that they were visually impaired and that it actually helped them, so now I don't feel silly anymore. Okay, next I got this light pink top. It also has some lacy details. It's like a deep v-neck. I've actually been eyeing this style for a while. I love that it kind of laces up. It's a little bit like those 2016 shirts that were really popular, but I feel like in a cuter, more subtle way. The color of this is just so pretty too. And then I've been wanting to get one of their teal things for a while, and I thought this tank top could be really, really cute for summer. Very easy to style. This would be so cute to like wear to the beach. Just a very simple tank top. And then last but not least, you guys know I've been loving my Hillary pants. I'm literally wearing them right now. Didn't even realize that. And I love the fit of them. They're really comfy because they're so low rise. And I've been wanting to get them in shorts, and I found them. They're so cute. And I have a top that matches this color, so that would be cute to wear in a set. It's like this hot pink color. But yeah, that's my Brandy haul. Look how colorful it is. I love it. Hey guys, it's the next day. Today's kind of just a random work day, catching up on some stuff, and then I really want to just clean the apartment. I have some things I need to put away, but I might have to film a partnership today, so I've kind of just been waiting for the okay to do that. And I realized I need to do my nails. My nails are chipping so bad. I like having my nails look good, obviously at all times, but especially when I have a partnership, I just want to look polished and presentable. So we're gonna redo my nails. I was thinking about what color to do, and then I literally got a notification that I got a package delivered, and I think we have some nails in here. The bag says Glamnetic, if you can't see that. I've been doing my natural nails for a bit now, and it's been really nice to give my nails a break from press-ons, but I do love the look of press-ons so much. So I'm trying to decide if I want to keep the natural nails for a bit longer and just do a different color, or do some press-ons. So let's see if any of these change my mind. Okay, first two we have, it's kind of hard to see with the glare, but we have some maroon ones and some pink shimmery ones. Really like the pink shimmery ones. Let's see what else. Ooh, okay, we also have some solid pink ones that are not shimmery. They're like a slightly darker pink, and then these chrome ones. These are really cute too. We have some nail glue and some press-on nail remover. Oh my gosh, I need this so bad. Okay, I can't decide if I want to do the pink shimmery ones or just like a light baby pink natural nail. I kind of want to save these. I think I'm okay with the natural nail phase that I've been having, so I think I'd rather save these for when I have an event coming up or something. But thank you so much, Glamnetic. I love their press-ons so much. Okay, I think right now I'm gonna redo my nails, and maybe I'll put on a show while I do that. I think I'm gonna put on Love Island UK because Love Island USA ended, so I can still kind of get my Love Island fix. But I think maybe the whole season is out, or it's like about to end, so I can just have it on as a background show and kind of binge it. That's what I'm gonna do. That way I'm ready to go if I need to film something today. If not, like I said, I'm gonna catch up on some work and clean. So that is the plan for today. Day. My nails nails are all done. I did end up messing up my middle finger a little bit. I was so bummed about that, but overall they look pretty good. And I did end up having to film a video yesterday, so I was very glad I did this. It was perfect timing. I got the text right as I was finishing up, but since I had to film, I didn't get around to some of the cleaning that I wanted to do yesterday. So here's my plan for today. I feel like I usually save cleaning for after I'm done with my tasks for the day, and then it just gets pushed back and doesn't get done. So today I want to do cleaning first. I don't have any urgent tasks that need to get done. I already did some stuff this morning, so we're gonna do that right now. It's very overcast today, but the weather says it's gonna clear up around 1. Now it's 2. That always happens. I'm hoping it actually does end up clearing up because I want to have a beach day today. I've just been so stressed out recently, and I'm forgetting that it is summer, and it's getting pretty deep into summer now, and I don't think I've had an actual beach day yet. In my mind, a beach day can't happen unless I have literally nothing else that I have to do that day, which is just not true. It doesn't have to take a really long time. I don't have to like be out there until I'm sweating and get all gross. I can just go enjoy being outside for a bit and then come back and just do some work once I'm home. It doesn't have to be a big thing. I don't know why in my mind it feels like it does. We're trying to reverse that. So I'm having a beach day today. I'm treating myself. I think it would be great for me to just have a relaxing little activity to do. I feel like I've barely gotten outside this summer. I want to be outdoors. I want to touch grass or sand in this case. So the plan is to clean until the sun comes out and then head to the beach. If it starts getting too late, I'll just go anyways, but I want to definitely get done dishes and laundry. Those are the two things that I always procrastinate. So those are first on my list. Okay guys, the place is as clean as it's gonna get right now. It doesn't have to be perfect. Ironically, I did end up forgetting that I had something that I had to submit today, so I had to work on that first. I swear I am not normally like this. I try to be very on top of these things, but that's what starts to happen when I'm so stressed out, which is exactly why I need this little beach day to help me relax. I already packed my bag. I accidentally made it pink themed. Pretty much every single thing in here is pink, and the bag itself has pink accents, and I'm wearing a pink shirt. Oh my gosh, not planned. Take a wild guess what my favorite color is. Okay, let's go to the beach. Okay, we are back in the car. That was a very successful beach day. My parking is about to expire, but that was kind of the perfect amount of time. It was so nice. I always forget that kids are out of school right now. I very quickly became detached from the school schedule after graduating, which I wasn't expecting. But yeah, there were a bunch of kids out, a bunch of families. There was like a cute grandma swimming with her little grandkids. It was very wholesome. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go home and get the rest of my work done. So I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really excited for the content that's gonna be coming up on my channel in the next like couple months. If you guys have any summer video requests that you want me to do before summer is over, I would love to do them. I really want to make more summer videos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys very soon with another video. Bye.